Here are some tips if your hand vac has no power or is not charging. While unplugged, run your hands down the entire length of the charger cord for any rips or punctures. Inspect the prongs on the charger for any damages as well. Check to make sure the proper charger is being used. Do not use any other charger. If you have trouble charging the machine, try testing a different outlet in your home with a small device, such as a cell phone charger. If you see 4 solid red lights, this indicates restricted airflow, so check for a clog and clean the filter. If you see 1 flashing or 4 depleting red lights, your charger may have developed a fault and needs to be replaced. Replacement parts are located on BISSELL.com. After these few steps, you should be up and running again.